When you use the machine, you just need to connect the power and connect to water here. The operating system have 3 valves. The first valve is the water valve. You can adjust the water flow big or small. This is the valve to control the screw, the auger blades. You can control it forward, stop, or reverse. This is a speed controller. To control the screw when the machine is working, please keep this one in the middle. We have 2 water sprayer here. The first one, you can adjust the water flow freely according to your concrete slump. This is the main water valve. When it's working, you can control it on and off to control your water supply. When there's no concrete inside, you just stop the water. We also have a water gun here. When you finish the work, use the water gun to clean your machine, to clean the inside and outside.